The legendary Tata Nano is finally back, and this time it returns with a completely futuristic and sporty transformation that nobody expected. The all-new Tata Nano 2026 is no longer just a small budget car. Tata Motors has completely redesigned this iconic hatchback into a bold, aggressive, and ultra-modern compact luxury vehicle that looks ready for the future. At first glance, the new Tata Nano 2026 instantly grabs attention with its sporty and futuristic styling. The aggressive front fascia, sharp LED DRL, aerodynamic bumper, and premium glossy maroon-purple finish give the car a high-end luxury appearance. The modern headlight design, combined with sporty air intakes, makes this Nano look more like a futuristic concept car than a traditional city hatchback. Tata Motors has clearly focused on creating a design that feels youthful, premium, and eye-catching from every angle. One of the biggest highlights of the new Nano is its stunning road presence. Even though the car remains compact in size, the sporty body kit, wide stance, and premium alloy wheels make it appear far more muscular and aggressive than previous generations. The black roof detailing and aerodynamic side skirts add an extra performance-inspired touch to the overall design. Whether parked in a showroom or driving on city streets, this Nano is designed to turn heads everywhere. Moving towards the side profile, the futuristic styling becomes even more impressive. The smooth body lines, modern door design, sporty wheel arches, and luxury black and red alloy wheels create a perfect balance between elegance and sportiness. The compact dimensions still make the Nano extremely practical for city driving, but now the car feels much more premium and upscale. It honestly looks like Tata Motors has transformed the Nano into a mini luxury sports hatchback for the modern generation. The rear design is equally attractive and futuristic. Slim LED taillights, sporty rear diffuser styling, and an aggressive spoiler give the car a powerful visual identity. The glossy maroon-purple metallic paint reflects beautifully under lights, creating a premium automotive look usually seen in expensive sports cars. During nighttime, the futuristic LED lighting setup gives the Nano a truly stunning appearance on the road. But the real surprise begins when you step inside the cabin. The interior of the Tata Nano 2026 has been completely redesigned with a futuristic luxury theme. The dashboard now features a fully digital cockpit setup with modern touch screen controls and advanced connectivity features. Premium soft touch materials, glossy trim pieces, and ambient red lighting create a sporty yet luxurious atmosphere inside the cabin. The seats are designed with premium black and maroon leather upholstery that perfectly matches the sporty exterior theme. Despite being a compact hatchback, the cabin feels surprisingly spacious and comfortable. Tata Motors has smartly improved interior space management to provide better legroom and headroom for passengers. The sporty steering wheel, digital instrument cluster, and futuristic dashboard design make the driving experience feel modern and exciting. Technology is another area where the Tata Nano 2026 shows massive improvement. The car is expected to feature wireless smartphone connectivity, voice controls, premium sound system, climate control, push, start button, rear camera, parking sensors, and multiple smart driving features. Tata Motors appears focused on offering modern technology while still keeping the Nano practical and affordable for everyday users. Performance is also expected to receive major upgrades. According to early reports, the Tata Nano 2026 could come with a refined petrol or electric powertrain designed for smoother acceleration, silent driving, and improved efficiency. The lightweight platform combined with upgraded suspension tuning may provide a comfortable city driving experience while maintaining excellent fuel economy. This makes the Nano perfect for daily urban use, while still delivering sporty styling and modern comfort. Safety has also become a major priority in the new model. The Tata Nano 2026 is expected to include multiple airbags, ABS braking, electronic stability control, rear parking camera, traction control, and a stronger body structure for improved passenger protection. These modern safety upgrades make the new Nano feel much more advanced and reliable compared to older generations. The biggest achievement of the Tata Nano 2026 is how successfully it combines affordability, futuristic design, sporty styling, modern technology, and luxury comfort into one compact package. Tata Motors has completely changed the image of the Nano and transformed it into a stylish urban hatchback for the next generation. After seeing this incredible transformation, one thing becomes very clear. The new Tata Nano 2026 is no longer just a small car. It is now a futuristic luxury hatchback designed to dominate city roads with style, technology, comfort, and next-generation road presence.